Well, I think every GM walks out of the draft on draft day feeling like they got the players that they wanted, and they couldn't believe this guy was still on the floor. And I think everybody feels good about themselves and their picks, but we feel very confident about the players that we selected, especially the first 5 picks. We got a very good mixture of skill and character, and a lot of promise in some young players. In the 6th round, we got an excellent goalie that we're very excited about. And after that, we got some much-needed toughness with 3 young players, and we took a flyer on a couple players. So I think the fact that I was out there and saw some of the players that our scouts vouched for made me feel a lot more comfortable this year, and with all that, we're very happy with the players that we selected. Well, I think anytime an organization picks that high in the draft, I think you're going to get a player that should be a franchise player. So we're excited, and the fans are excited to see young Ciampini turn into a very exciting player for the next 3 to 4 years. So it's just exciting to have a player of his caliber on our hockey team. Well, 2nd overall pick last year in the draft, only scored 3 goals. Obviously, we expect Luka to score more than that, but at the same time, we're not going to put a lot of pressure on him. Our need, obviously, is goal scoring, but you can't expect a 16-year-old to come into this league and be the answer for your problems right away. So we expect him to have a good, solid year without any unrealistic expectations. But like I say, in the following year, the years after that, he's going to put up some very good numbers for us. Well, Andrew Ryan is he's a player with tremendous potential. We've liked him for the last couple of years. We saw him at the Atlantics 2 years ago as a 14-year-old. He played midget AAA. It was very impressive. He's a big, strong guy. He can skate well, protects the puck well, has a lot of skill. He needs to work on some of the finer details of his game, but he's a player that has a great pro potential and is going to be a big part of our hockey team. Well, Darcy is a skilled player. He's a player. He's a 93, a 17-year-old, so he can come in and contribute right away. He's going to be one of our top power play guys. He's a right-handed shot, which is something that we need. Great vision, great hands, great work ethic. He's a very competitive hockey player. He wants to score, so he's going to be another player that helps us and helps us immediately. Yeah, I was fortunate to see him play a few times. Chris Donnelly saw him play as well. Our scouts were very high on him. He progressed and progressed as the year went on. He didn't put up a lot of numbers. He played on the team that went all the way to the TELUS Cup. So he played with a lot of older players, but a great skater, just a good all-around solid defenseman.